Hey everybody, Lisa Rowberry here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is an exciting day. I just received my December Whiff Box in the mail, so we are going to open it together. I have not yet ripped into this, so we're going to do it together. If you are unaware of what a Whiff Box is, it is Scentsy's, I don't really want to call it a subscription box because you don't have to subscribe to it, but it's basically like a little mystery box. You can pick and choose when you want to buy it, but during the month the box will generally be the same. So if it does vary, it'll vary ever so slightly, maybe in a scent of a bar or a scent of a room spray, that sort of thing. But generally it'll all be the same during that month, but they do change month to month. So you don't have to subscribe to it. That's the beautiful part of it. And if you just want to get a chance to maybe try a few different products, this is a great opportunity to do that. And it's super reasonably priced. It's only $30 and you generally will you'll get a good bang for your buck generally. So I think it's great, especially to be able to try some new products that maybe you wouldn't have tried before. So here's what the box looks like inside. So on the inside of the lid, it says Whiff Box Scent with Love. And then you will have a little sheet on top here. And this one, there's always something fun with the sheet that is going on here. So this just explains what the Whiff Box is. And this, so Santa would surely approve of this month's assortment, complete with a sprinkling of Christmas fragrances and festive gift wrap, see back, to help you spread the joy. Live, love, whiff, wrap, Scentsy. So that means that this side of it actually doubles as wrapping paper, which is so super cute. And you even have a little to and from tag here. That's super cute. I love that. I love just the little attention to detail that Scentsy has. It's great. So that's just a little bit about your Whiff Box. And then inside you've got purple tissue here. And we've got some stuffing. So let's see what we have here. So we have a couple of bath bombs. And these are really great. If you haven't tried our bath bombs, the bath bombs are amazing. I am not one that is a huge bath person, but what I will say is this really makes taking a bath a treat. And these things are huge too. So what comes in mine was Shimmer and Vanilla Mint. Vanilla Mint is no longer available, which is all the more reason to get a Whiff Box. Shimmer, oh, it's so good. And it's white and purple. Oh my goodness, that's so good. That's like a really nice perfumey one. But what I love about these is that it leaves your skin feeling so incredibly hydrated and moisturized, and you just feel so soft, and you just feel like you got like a full-on like spa treatment. It's great. So it came in Shimmer and Vanilla Mint. We also have 2 bars, which comes in the scent of the month, which is Christmas Cuddles. And I'm kind of working through some stuff with this scent. So I really like it, but when it's warming, I don't love it. So, and I'm going to talk about this in my what I've been warming video that I will do probably the end of this week. But I feel like this one needs to be mixed. I do really like it, but there's just something about it because it smells like a really rich snickerdoodle. And I know that sounds like it would be amazing. And initially I was thinking, I love this. But it has kind of a chocolate note to it as well for me. And there's just something that's just, it needs a little something else. So I'll get into the weird story that happened with mixing this with peppermint. Didn't end up really well. So I'm still working on mixing some things with this one, but it is good. Let me know if you have been mixing this one with anything. I do really like it. I feel like it needs something more. Apparently peppermint is not the thing. So the Whiff Box also comes with Cozy Cardigan, which I know I really love. This one's a really great bedroom scent. It's very romantic and slightly I don't want to say musky, but it's slightly perfumey. but it's romantic, and I feel like this is a really nice one for the bedroom personally. So you get 2 bars. You also get a room spray in Snow Place Like Home. That'll be really great for a bathroom. This one's it's kind of a peppermint, I think. Yeah, this is a good bathroom scent. I don't love this, but I feel like this is going to be great for a bathroom. If you haven't tried our room sprays, they're amazing. You literally just need 1 or 2 sprays and it's going to fill the room with fragrance, which is really, really great. And they're pretty strong. And then my most favorite part are the samples. So each whiff box will come with a variety of different samples, wax, as well as maybe some other products. And we have some Scent Soft and some laundry liquid samples in sea salt and avocado. This is great. I think this is so nice that Scentsy does this, because if you want to try out the laundry products without having to commit to a full bottle or the full system, the full Laundry Love bundle, this is a great way to give it a try. I love our laundry line. It does amazing things. It's incredibly concentrated, so you don't need as much product as you would with other laundry products. So you don't need as much, super concentrated, and it gets an amazing amount of stain out. It's crazy. I've got a couple of dogs. Where we live is like, it's not regular dirt. It's like, it's red clay. And so during the winter months when it rains, luckily we did change out our bark to rocks. So there's not as much dirt that gets tracked into the house, but there's still dirt that gets tracked into the house, but it's that like red clay dirt. And so we keep towels out to wipe their paws, because my dogs are inside dogs. And so our towels tend to get stained. So this actually took those stains out. It's amazing. Now, I can't say that this will work for all stains. I'm just telling you what my personal experience was. So that's really great. So it gives you a little sample of the laundry liquid and a little bit of the softener, which is great to be able to give it a try. You also get 3 samples of wax. Now, I cannot say enough about these wax samples because these are hefty wax samples. So you get a sample of Christmas Cactus. You get a sample of Farmhouse Fir. And these are big, like there's probably 2 cubes worth. So they're not chintzy on the samples. And here's what I am most excited about is the scent of the month for January. So if you purchase a whiff box, then you get a little sneak preview of the scent of the month for the next month, which is so exciting. My scent and warmer of the month kit has not arrived yet. It's actually coming tomorrow. So keep an eye out for that video. You're not going to want to miss it. But so I have not yet tried out this scent. So I am going to actually open this because I can't wait. So it is called Strawberry Champagne Truffle, and it is a really pretty pink wax. And these little cups are sealed really good, so you don't have to worry about any like accidents. Oh, that's so good. I really like this. This is really nice. It's a good strawberry scent, but I do get that like champagne note to it. I would tell you what Scentsy says about it, but I don't even have my brochure in front of me. So we'll just have to dive into that once my kit arrives. Oh, but that's really good. And I've been missing kind of a strawberry scent for Scentsy, and not that this is like the season for strawberry, but oh, that's really nice. I do like that. And I feel like this would be good to like mix with something a little warmer as well to give it almost like a bakery note. Oh, that's good. So that is Strawberry Champagne Truffle. So you get a sample of that. You get 2 other samples of wax. You get your laundry samples. You get your room spray. You get your 2 bars and 2 bath bombs, all for 30 bucks. That's pretty good. I have to say, that is a pretty good value. So that is what I got in my whiff box. I love this. This makes, honestly, this makes for great gifts to be able to give someone a little something to try of like a variety of products. even to gift for yourself. If you're just kind of wanting a little surprise box every once in a while, you can either subscribe to it to have it come every month. If you have your Scentsy Club subscription, you can absolutely subscribe to this to have it automatically shipped to you every single month, or you can just purchase randomly whenever you feel like you want a little surprise box to come to your door. So there is my December Whiff Box. I love this. I feel like this is really great, and I love the surprise boxes each and every month. So let me know if you got a box of your own, and if you were happy with the products, what your favorite product is from this box. I would have to say, I think, and like I said, I'm not a huge bath person, so that's why this means a lot. I would say my favorite product from here would have to be the Shimmer Bath Bomb. I love these bath bombs. They're so nice, you guys, and that's coming from someone who's not really a bath person. These are so nice and absolutely worth it. So take a minute to treat yourself, right? So, all right, you guys, there is my December Whiff Box. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.